Hi, my name is David Garrison, and I'm a solution architect at F5. In this walkthrough video, I'm going to take you through the steps to configure F5 Distributed Cloud to send alert notifications to PagerDuty. This configuration will allow me to send security-related alerts in F5 Distributed Cloud to PagerDuty, which will enable me to consolidate those alerts with events from other systems in my environment that are also sending to PagerDuty. I'm now ready to step through configuring the integration, and we'll start the process in PagerDuty. I'll create a service in PagerDuty and call it F5 Distributed Cloud Demo Shop. And select Next. Select Generate a new escalation policy on the following page, and then select Next. I'll accept the defaults for alert group and transient alerts and select Next to continue. I'll assign a custom event transformer to the service in PagerDuty and then select Create Service to complete the process. I'll need to use the integration key and the integration URL to configure the alert receiver in Distributed Cloud. At this point, I'm ready to create the alert receiver in Distributed Cloud, and I'll do that by navigating to Manage, Alerts Management, Alert Receiver, and select Add Alert Receiver. I'll give it the name Demo Shop PagerDuty and set the receiver type as PagerDuty. As you can see, Distributed Cloud also supports sending alert notifications to Slack, Opsgenie, SMS, and email. Next, I'm going to select Configure under the integration key, which leads to a blindfold page. Blindfold is the mechanism by which Distributed Cloud encrypts sensitive data, which, in this case, is the PagerDuty integration key. I'm going back to PagerDuty to copy the integration key and paste it into the Secret to Blindfold field in Distributed Cloud and select Apply. Next, I'm going to navigate back to PagerDuty and copy the integration URL and paste it into the PagerDuty URL field in Distributed Cloud and select Save and Exit to complete the creation of the PagerDuty Alert Receiver. To confirm that the PagerDuty Alert Receiver was created properly, I'm going to click on the three dots in the Action column to the right of the Alert Receiver and select Send Test Alert. Back in PagerDuty, I can see that the activity dashboard shows a triggered alert, and then it's a test alert from Distributed Cloud and confirms that the alert receiver is properly configured. Next, in Distributed Cloud, I'm going to create an alert policy which defines what types of alerts to send to PagerDuty by navigating to Manage, Alerts Management, Alert Policies, and selecting Add Alert Policy and giving it the name Demo Shop PagerDuty Alert Policy. In the Alert Receiver Configuration section, I'll select the PagerDuty Alert Receiver I previously created. I'll select Configure under the Policy Rules to define which alerts to send to PagerDuty and select Add Item on the next page. Next, I'll hit the drop-down under Select Alerts, and as you can see, there are several different ways in which I can define which alerts I want to send to PagerDuty. Matching severity allows me to choose from minor, major, and critical alerts. Matching alert name allows me to choose from alerts that match a specific alert name. In my case, I'm interested in all security-related alerts, and can choose that by selecting Matching Group and then selecting Security from the Groups dropdown. While I'm only interested in security alerts, I could also select additional alert groups. Next, I'll select Apply and apply again on the next page to complete the alert policy rules configuration, and then save and exit to complete the alerts policy creation process. At this point, I have an alert policy but need to make it active in order to use it. I can create any number of alert policies, but only those that are active apply and will trigger alerts to be sent to PagerDuty. To make the policy I just created active, I'll navigate to Manage, Alerts Management, and select Active Alert Policies. Next, I'll click on Select Active Alert Policies and select Add Item and select the alert policy I just created from the dropdown, and then select Save and Exit to complete the process. I'm going to check PagerDuty to make sure that alerts are being sent from Distributed Cloud, and sure enough, I'm getting alerts in PagerDuty. As you can see, integrating Distributed Cloud with PagerDuty is a straightforward process with only a handful of steps required, and enables me to centralize alerts from Distributed Cloud along with events from other systems in my environment. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this walkthrough video useful, and it will help you to integrate your Distributed Cloud with PagerDuty.